Yo, family, this is one of the funniest video I've seen on the internet. Here is a bride that's left at the altar by the groom. And you won't believe why him left her at the altar. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. And if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you, hit that red subscribe button and we're going to have a great relationship. This is a groom in Africa. Okay, this groom in Africa left his wife at the altar, ladies and gentlemen, and caused a big commotion in the community. And the reason why him left her at the altar, let me see if you can make him out. No, let me know if you would have leave her at the altar for that. Come on, people. I beg for just a find out. Say him wife have 4 other children that he didn't know about. So him just walk well left her. Now look at her on the ground. She's a beautiful lady too, and she's gorgeous. But come on. I beg for So what you expect the man to do? The man thinks he might get a brand new prestige BMW. And when him realize he might get a paint over ladder. So you know things say throughout all your dating and all your communication, it was your obligation to tell the man that you're going to marry and say till death do you part. Say you have 4 other picnics. So when you did not tell him on the honeymoon. I beg for like this, your man. Me not tell you no lie. No disrespect to the lady because she looks beautiful. But what she did was very deceptive and conniving. But this your man an idiot too. Then him not see no stretch mark or nothing. Or him just did up. Oh, it probably some African tradition where you just married her before you test it out. You're mad. Me not buy no car and no test drive it. You crazy? Huh? Unless I have some inside lead at the option and know so the action is a underbidding and I get it for half the price and me can't lose. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari soldier here vlogging. This is all over the news. A man in Africa left his bride, his wife to be at the altar after she forget to tell him say she have 4 other blouse and skirt. Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment and let me know what you would have done if you would have walked out on her also. Bless up yourself, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari soldier. Make sure to tune in the air every time. Yo, I'm coming.